Warren Williams Smartest Data Quick Definitions. Fundamental analysis. What are the key steps in fundamental analysis? Let's go to the video, define, explain, and find out what they are. The fundamental analysis of a stock involves several aspects: an understanding of the financial statements, determining a valuation, and an assessment of the external factors impacting the company. In performing a fundamental analysis of a company, the goal is to determine a market value for the quoted shares, which could be above or below the current share price. There are three aspects in fundamental analysis. The first involves an in-depth analysis of the company's three financial statements, an understanding of the profit and loss, the growth and stability in sales, and the operating expenses, then onto the balance sheet, how the company is financed, the leverage ratio, and is the company in a solid position in terms of cash flow. Once completed, a 2-year forward projection for the key data points in the P&L, sales, net income, EPS, DPS, and cash flow per share can be done. The second aspect involves assessing the market value or fair value for the share price. The valuation can be based on ratio analysis, for example the PE ratio, which is then compared to the stock's historic PE, then against the sector PE and the PE for the major index, for example the S&P 500. Another approach could be based on intrinsic valuation, the discounting of future earnings to give a present value for the share price. Then finally, an assessment of external forces the company must face, including economic factors, sectoral or industrial influences, and the assessment of management. Three takeaway bullet points regarding fundamental analysis. The objective, the key, is to determine a market value for the share price, which could be above or below the current price. There are three steps involved. First is financials, look at the valuations, then the external factors. Keep in mind, active stock positions must be monitored. Any critical change in the financials or the current valuations, or if external influences are making an impact on the company, we must follow this, we must understand this.